Hello and welcome back to PowerPoints. My name is Danny Rocks. Today's lesson is in response to a letter I received from a viewer. Dear Danny, I work with outlines in Microsoft Word. My new boss has asked me to create these outlines in PowerPoint. I don't have time to learn PowerPoint from scratch and I want to avoid retyping the text. Is there an easy way to translate my Word outlines into PowerPoint? Yes, there is. We'll demonstrate three techniques. If we have not begun work on a new PowerPoint presentation, but we are in PowerPoint, we will choose File, Open All Outlines to import our outlines from Word. Our second technique, we're working inside Word, and without leaving the program, we will choose File, Send to PowerPoint to send our outline directly to PowerPoint. In our third technique, we're in PowerPoint and we have already begun work on a PowerPoint presentation, applied some formatting and possibly some slides. That technique calls for us to go to the Insert menu and select Slides from the outline. Let's begin. Let's open up a brand new presentation. In this case, we'll open up a brand new presentation over here. No formatting, no content. So we go up to the File menu and we say Open, and we choose the file that we want to open. Now it's important to remember that for this to work successfully, that we have that file, that Microsoft Word file, closed. So let's double click on it, and then there we go. We have our slides from our outline brought directly in. Let's take a look at this in Slide Sorter view. And there are all of our 6 slides from our Microsoft Word outline. No formatting, that's our next step. We wanted to avoid retyping text. Let's close this without saving it. And now we'll demonstrate our second technique. Let's close this file completely. All right, for our second technique, we're inside Word. And let's open up the document. Okay, so this is the outline that we worked on before. Now notice with the outline that we bring it in, if we prepare the outline in Word correctly before we bring it into PowerPoint, we save a lot of time. In this particular outline, we're only working with 2 types of formatting. Heading 1, and let's take a look at the Heading 1 paragraphs. The 6 paragraphs that you see here as heading 1 will each become the titles for the slides inside our PowerPoint presentation. The only other formatting that we're using is heading 2 style, and let's take a look here. For the heading 2 style in Word, each one of these paragraphs will become bullet points underneath the titles for the slides. If we had applied any extra formatting, for example, let's say that we had a red font over here, and let's just say that we had applied italic over here, we want to remove these formattings. We want to remove any bullet points. We just want to bring it down to heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Here's an easy way to remove our formatting. Let's select the entire document, keyboard shortcut Control A, and then the keyboard shortcut Control Spacebar strips away all of that extra formatting that we applied. We're now ready, while remaining in Word, to export this to PowerPoint. File, Send to. So we come down here and on the Send to sub-menu, we choose Microsoft Office PowerPoint. And there we go. Those 6 slides have been imported into Word. Into PowerPoint. Let's close this without saving. And let's also remember, before we go to our third technique, to come back to Word and make sure that we close this document. One other element about formatting, make sure that you have no blank lines in there. If we did have a blank line, that would become a blank slide. So we want to have this style of formatting. Let's undo this. Okay, let's close this, and our last technique, we're working inside a PowerPoint presentation already. We want to insert the Word document as slides from an outline. So we choose the PowerPoint slide that we want to have before we insert our outline. So we go up now to Insert, and we choose Slides from Outline. Find the Word document, and the slides are inserted and they pick up the formatting from the template in PowerPoint. So this is another reason to strip out the formatting in Word before we either import or insert our outline. Well, there you have it. We'll see you in the next edition of PowerPoints.